Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I am going to make one of the best cocktails for cold winter days. The classic Hot Toddy. The classic Hot Toddy cocktail is traditionally concocted with whiskey, honey, spices and hot water. I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Let's make this classic cocktail in an old-fashioned glass. I will start with pouring 1½ an ounce of Indian single malt whiskey. You can use any of your favorite whiskey. The classic Hot Toddy cocktail is traditionally drunk during cold winter days, as it gives relief from the cold, cough, and flu. ½ an ounce of lime mix. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe. I will pour 1 ounce of honey. Honey is always good for health, as it has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It also improves the respiratory and nervous system. I will add ginger juliennes, and fresh lemon slice. Lemon and ginger are the good source of antioxidants, and also reduces cancer risk. I will be happy if you make this drink at home, and share your experience with me. I will take 4 black peppercorns, and 1 clove, and slowly roast for a few seconds. This beautiful rich flavor of roasted spices will slowly mix with your single malt whiskey and honey, to create a heavenly flavor in your glass. Not only flavors, but it also provides a powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effect. Now I will pour hot water into the glass. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Now I will take a star anise, and slowly roast it for a few seconds, and just let it float on the drink. Now I will put a cinnamon stick into the glass. The classic Hot Toddy cocktail is ready for you. Cheers for your healthy life. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. Please don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching.